Good morning. Trail Magic with Diva behind me. We're in a town called Percival and at a gluten-free coffee bar bakery. And so I got a smoothie and I got a couple sandwiches, one to eat for breakfast and one to pack out, and I'm a happy, happy girl. Okay, I am back on trail. Oh my gosh, the bugs are crazy today. And had my smoothie and half a ham and cheese panini. Oh, so good. And now I'm ready to do the last 3 miles and beyond of the roller coaster. It's gonna be fun. Let's go. Look at this view. There's been no view for days. It's so nice. And the weather's cleared up. So it's awesome. I just made a reservation at the Town's Inn in Harper's Ferry for tomorrow night and 0 on Sunday. And I'm so excited. I'm going to be in Harper's Ferry tomorrow. So I better get hiking. This is the strangest thing. I'm road rocking in the middle of the roller coaster. Here I am. It's kind of like playing Frogger a little bit. So, here's the cicada report. 69 decibels. Pretty loud. In the trees around me, I'm at this pretty rocky place, sitting on a rock that's nice and cool for my tushy. I'm gonna go now. But that is the cicada report. This is the top of the up. Here's behind me. Nothing much. Hey everybody, I'm at the top of this hill, whatever this hill is. What are these rocks called?
I'm not sure. It's called Rocky Mountain, no, Raven Rock.
Raven Rocks. Okay.
Right?
That was not fun. Okay, here we go. So I'm here. I'm out of Virginia. So excited. Had a great hike today so far. Met a lot of wonderful people. And now I'm out. Well, technically I danced along the border for a while, but Virginia, you're over. Loved ya. Moving on.
For like a hiking trip. And I bought this
What you doing?
bag. It was so heavy. I could barely put it.
What you doing? Did that scare you?
Yeah.
Hi.
Oh yeah?
Oh,
What you
yeah.
doing?
I mean, I have a hyper.
You're so cute.
3200, so it's a 55-liter bag, and
You're so cute.
unless it is like dead freezing cold.
Yes,
10
you're
degrees
so
outside,
cute.
but I never.
Hello, everybody. I just burped. Hello, everyone. Okay, I'm at, I think this is Raven's Rock, so I'm not sure. And here's the view behind me. I'm doing my YouTube thing.
Okay, do your thing.
And just in West Virginia, not in Virginia anymore, having lunch with a great bunch of people. And there's the view.
How far I get.
So I'm at the top of this last up, full up and down. And this is what it looks like. I'm in a stealth camping area. And stepped off the trail to pee. And now I'm getting back on trail. And to go down and get water. There's a little bug on me. Go down and get water. One last stop and the roller coaster's over. And none too soon. The end of the roller coaster, the end of Virginia, the last big up of the roller coaster, downhill to Harper's Ferry. Here I go. I totally just fell off that log right there on my banunkadunk. Hello, bunny bunny. What are you doing? Mr. Cottontail. What are you doing? Having a snack? You're not afraid of me at all. There you go. Find something yummy.